On October 9, 2004, Michael Bell, age 21, was murdered by gunshot to the head in front of his mother and sister by a Kenosha, Wisconsin police officer. Within 48 hours, the police department declared it to be a good shooting, and soon the district attorney ruled it to be justified. All that without anyone ever interviewing Bell's mother and sister. The 4 police officers involved all got together and created a false story attempting to justify Bell's murder by changing the positions the officers had been in when Officer Alberto Gonzalez put his gun directly against Bell's head and pulled the trigger. The gun had failed to fire, so Gonzalez put it back, repositioned it, and pulled the trigger again, killing Bell. But why would the officers lie? And why would they testify in deposition that Bell had been shot in the left side of the head? And then create 3 phony videos attempting to show exactly how he had been shot in the right side of the head? And what about the medical examiner who has testified that the officers' phony reenactments don't match the forensics evidence? And what about Gonzalez himself testifying exactly how he had been holding his gun and then testified to exactly the opposite? And what about those unethical attorneys representing the insurance fund who assisted in creating these phony videos and police statements? The police lied because Gonzalez was not justified in killing Bell. That is called murder. Bell's mother and sister are to be commended for telling the truth and by not taking physical action against the police. On November 27, 2012, I filed an 1,100-page murder complaint with the United States Attorney. Now, 26 months later, we are still waiting for an answer. Is the U.S. Attorney sleeping?